Hello guys, today we make another liqueur. Very easy to make it because you need only 3 ingredients: the kiwi, the alcohol that you can find in your country, after you will understand what does it mean, and the sugar. So, because I know that in many countries you cannot find the strong alcohol, ethanol alcohol for food that we can find in Italy, please be careful, use only pure alcohol. It's clear, and is for food or for medical things. Some people say that they can find for medical in the pharmacy, they can find the pure alcohol, but it's not the alcohol for cleaning. Remember, not the pink one or other kind of alcohol. If you find the strong alcohol, I will use the 96 degree or 96% of alcohol content. You need 400 milliliter of kiwi juice, 400 milliliter of this strong alcohol, and 380 grams of sugar. If you cannot find the strong alcohol and you want to use vodka, for example, you need 400 milliliter of vodka, only 300 milliliter of kiwi juice, and 120 grams of sugar. And after I will tell you the alcohol content of the different liqueurs. If you want to calculate by yourself, you can do it on the website of Uomo di Casa. I put the link under the video. You will find it here if you check different things. So, very easy. I will use the press. If you don't have it, you can press the kiwi with your hands and you will collect the juice. Simple. So with a knife I will cut the kiwi in 2 pieces, and after with a teaspoon I will remove the pulp from inside our fruit, and I will press in a kitchen towel like this one, using this, and after we'll go ahead with the recipe, but now I'll show you. Very beautiful color. Now we should do the syrup. This means that we need to melt the sugar in our juice. So we put the sugar and the juice in the pot, we turn on the fire and we melt the sugar. After, we should wait that the syrup reach the room temperature. When reach the room temperature, we can add the alcohol. Probably, if you use the vodka, you don't need the pot with the fire, because the sugar is only 120 grams and will melt in the juice of our kiwi. But up to you, if you do with the pot, it's always better. Our liquor is ready. The alcohol content of this one is 37%, and also the one with the vodka is ready, and the alcohol content is 20%. So let's test both of them. spectacular. So with the vodka you can taste better the kiwi. With a strong alcohol is more creamy and more strong. So up to you. Yeah, for sure in Italy people will prefer the one with the alcohol, the strong alcohol. Maybe in other country is more common, less power in your liquor, so probably you will prefer the one with the vodka. Before that I greet you, I want to let you know that if you like the kiwi fruit, let me know down in the comment, because if you like it, I can make the wine from the kiwi, or the kiwi wine, but only if you like it. So let me know down in the comment, and also leave me a lot I like it. In this way I can understand that you want to watch the video about the kiwi wine. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to share these videos with your friends. Any question, any suggestion down in the comment. Remember the kiwi wine. Bye bye.